Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as usual, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Gina. How is the weather in Cozumel today? Is it raining again? Starting to clear up in Cozumel. Well, I'm glad. I heard there is like more weather coming, more hurricanes from all over the place. This is so early in the season. Wow. Anyway, it is time for us to start, and today we will continue our exploration of joy, specifically its connection to gratitude. Researchers describe the relationship between joy and gratitude as an intriguing upward spiral, which is kind of cool. We all talk about downward spiral when we just kind of rapidly fall into the states of low energy and maybe lethargy and depression, etc. And this is the opposite of it. So this intriguing upward spiral goes like this. Gratitude predicts greater future experience of in-the-moment joy. Joy predicts greater future experience of in-the-moment gratitude. And situational, circumstantial joy predicts greater future subjective well-being overall. That's a very interesting relationship. It all just spirals up. No matter what we start with, joy or gratitude, they kind of feed on each other and perpetuate our, create a bigger sense of well-being. In her book, Daring Greatly, Brené Brown tells a story about an outing with her daughter, Ellie, during which she had the privilege of witnessing the expansive and incredible nature of joy and gratitude at play. So let me read it for you, as I find it really beautiful. She writes, "This seems like yesterday, but it happened 16 years ago when Ellen was in the first grade. We played hooky one day and spent the day at Herman Park. At one point, we were on a paddle boat in the middle of a pond when I realized she had stopped pedaling and was sitting perfectly still in her seat. Her head was tilted back and her eyes were closed. The sun was shining on her uplifted face, and she had a quiet smile on her face. I was so struck by her beauty and her vulnerability and the joy on her face that I could barely catch my breath. I watched for a full minute, but when she didn't move, I got a little nervous. Ellie, is everything okay, sweetie? Her smile widened, and she opened her eyes. She looked at me and said, I'm fine, Mama. I was just making a picture memory. I had never heard of a picture memory, but I liked the sound of it. What does it mean? Oh, a picture memory is a picture I take in my mind when I'm really, really happy. I close my eyes and take a picture. So when I'm feeling sad or scared or lonely, I look at my picture memories. She used the word happy here, as we often do, but there is no question that I was witnessing joy, that swirl of deep spiritual connection, pleasure, and appreciation. So let's explore this together now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body, notice what's going on physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you today, really? As always, let your breath be free. Don't try to control it and simply notice how your breath flows through your body and how your body responds to your breath. Now, once again, scan your body one more time and rate your overall state on the scale of 1 to 10, where 1 means you're feeling really, really low and kind of sucky, and 10 means you're at the top of your game and life feels truly amazing right now. Whatever the number, don't judge it. It is what it is. Simply remember it. And now bring to mind something that makes you feel a deep spiritual connection with the world. Brings you this totally unencumbered joy. Notice how, just like Brené Brown's daughter Ellie, you have this picture memory in your mind of that which brings you joy. Take a few moments to really look closely at all the details of this picture, and at the same time tune into the sensations in your body. As you examine your picture memory, notice what's starting to happen in your emotional, mental, and physical states. Maybe you started smiling without consciously noticing it. Maybe your body relaxed some. Maybe something changed in your thoughts. Now, once again, scan your body and rate your overall state on the scale of 1 to 10, just like we did at the beginning. 1 being really low, 10 feeling life as amazing. What is your number now? Is there a difference between your first and second scans, your first and second numbers? Did your overall state rating go up or down, or did it stay the same? Again, there is no judgment here. It's just an experiment, just an exercise. And now we're going to take a step further and try to take a conscious joy picture memory. First, bring your hands to your heart and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So in this very moment, I am okay. All is well in my world. In a few seconds, we'll open our eyes, but first, set an intention to open your eyes with the beginner's mind. I'll remind you that the beginner's mind sees everything in the world as a miracle, and therefore it's much easier for the beginner's mind to experience joy. I'm going to count from 1 to 3 now, and on the count of 3, you'll open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, beginner's mind activated. Now look around and notice all the little things, all the miracles that are present right here. Take out your mental camera and decide whether your joy picture memory will be taken in the macro mode, honing in on one of those endless life's miracles around you, big or small, or panoramic view, taking in everything that is around you right now. close your eyes again and commit this joyous moment to your memory so that you can come back to it again and again whenever you feel sad or scared. I'll give you a few moments to really remember all the details visually and through your body. Again, maybe there is a sense of inner smile or even an outer smile. Maybe there is some relaxation in your body that accompanies this picture memory. Maybe there is a thought, a message. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. As you go through your day today, I encourage you to be really present so that you are able to recognize when you're experiencing joy, the swirl of deep spiritual connection, pleasure, and appreciation. When you do, use the art of joy picture memory to commit this moment to your mind's library to be used at a later point in life when you feel low, when you feel sad, scared, lonely. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.